Welcome back to my channel friends, Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'm going to show you all how to make soft puff puri. In a large bowl, add wheat flour, semolina and salt. Give everything a good mix. Add little water at a time and start kneading the dough. Continue to knead the dough until you form a stiff, tight dough. Apply oil all over the dough and knead for a minute. Cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. After the resting time, knead again the dough to make it smooth. Divide the dough into equal small size balls. Apply little oil on a rolling board. Use a rolling pin to roll the puri dough into round shape. Don't roll too thin or too thick. Heat oil in a deep kadai. Once the oil is hot, add one puri at a time. Fry it until the puri is golden in color. Fry the remaining puri the similar way. Transfer the fried puris to a plate lined with paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Serve it with side dish of your choice. So guys, if you like today's video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.